Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
There is a attachment also, you can say, or like a sense of belongingness, you can say. So I feel a vibe that is coming from inside that say that you have to be connected with Niftem and do something.
Welcome back to another episode of Know Your Alumni. Today we have with us Mr. Arpit, BTech 2016 graduate from Niftem. He went on to work with Britannia in Oman after his graduation. Worked there for around 2.5 years, came back to India, and since then he is working with ITC Limited as a manufacturing executive. Let's hear his journey today. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi Gagan, how are you? I am good. Say?
I'm good sir. Tell us something about your 4-year journey at Niftem.
Oh, first of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me over this platform, and it's a great initiative. It will help individually to every of the students of Niftem as well as alumni. So it's a great initiative. Thank you so much for inviting me. Considering the 4 years that were the best days of my life, and being in the first batch, that was a privilege for me. So when you are in the first batch, it's like something that is first, you have the opportunity to be the first in everything. So meanwhile getting the opportunity, we have the infrastructure was developing and the college registration was coming up. So at that time, it was quite interesting for us. Niftem was taking a shape, and we have a ample opportunity to do in different sectors. So I might recall mainly that we have started the project of in which we started a model of channelizing the waste segregation, in which we used to collect the waste from the colleges and define the channel for the final disposal. So meanwhile, it was helped us a lot. In Niftem only, you can get these kind of opportunity. There is independency of working. Like if you want to start anything, you can. You want to take any lead, you are independent to take up that lead. So that is independent, and we were the first project that was sanctioned the funding of 26 lakhs for the Niftem waste management. You might remember going to the cafeteria, see the dustbins hoarding there. That itself was created by our team. So meanwhile doing with the compost segregation, compost management we did in the nearby hostel area. So that was also like a sustainable business in which we used to sell all the compost that was collected to the college itself and collect the money, and that money itself was used for the development of the project. So it was a sustainable business we used to carry in the college, and that itself was only possible because of Niftem only. So Niftem is full of opportunities, one have to grab it. Okay, so for the career development also, if you go for the VAP village adoption program, that will give you opportunity to learn from the grassroots level. So you have the opportunity to learn like what is the actual problem that farmer faces in India. So this is the complete package that Nifty provides. Meanwhile, it is up to you how to grab that opportunity and lead yourself. So that was a quite interesting 4 year of a journey that I completed in Niftem.
Okay, that's great sir. So we'd like to know, being a first batch student, how did you get an international offer and got to work with Britannia? Tell us something about that journey.
Okay, actually what happened was we were like a group of 4 students who planned for a startup in the beginning of end of the 4th year. So it was I have got the opportunity with ITC, I got the PPU, and meanwhile I declined that offer considering that we wanted to start up. So it was quite getting interesting for us, but what happened was you cannot predict everything. So something happened in the meanwhile that we cannot start. Okay, we have to call it off. So at that time also I was not having the opportunity of ITC to join back there. So that was happening. So one of the regional managers from ITC, he went to Britannia International Business. So he called me one day and told that Arpit, are you willing to join this Britannia International Business? I said, why not, sir? Okay, I will take up that opportunity, no problem. So he arranged the interview, and further after the completion of 2 months of the college, I got that opportunity and I joined the international business of Britannia. So it was a quite interesting work atmosphere in Britannia that I spent.
Okay, so spending 2.5 years in Britannia, like, why did you decide to come back to India and join ITC?
Something in Britannia, I was getting good opportunity to work. I was having so many of the projects that I was doing in the Britannia only. So sometime you have a gut feeling that you were through something and you haven't done that. So meanwhile, there is a still plan in me to start something of that my own. Okay, that I will take through. So meanwhile, that cannot be only planned when you are working internationally. So I thought of coming back to India, give importance to personal life also, and meanwhile, when I will be a little bit ready in the terms of financial aspects and the personal development, I will start. So getting opportunity of ITC at the same time was a boom for me. So I got that opportunity and grabbed and I came back to India.
Okay, that's great. So tell us something about what is the job role as a manufacturing executive and what is the day like for you?
If you will say na, this job role of the manufacturing executive is like completely different. If you will consider like a day-to-day regular activity, it's not a day-to-day regular routine job. If you go in the computer science of that job profile, where you have to do the coding on the daily basis. So in the production, it is completely different. You have the challenges every day. Suppose sometime you will face an issue like you have to deliver in the market and you are not having the sufficient manpower. That can be an issue. Suppose you have the shortfall of the material, that can be an issue. Suppose you have the issue like the breakdown you are facing in the plant, that can be another issue. So it's like a completely different thing you are facing at the same time. And meanwhile, sometimes this happens everything is happening on the same time. So it's like a completely different role. You have to be very keen in planning things. You have to be very strong in managerial aspects. Like if you are of the decisions which you are taking, that may can cause a loss to the company. So you have to be very smart in planning things and you have to be very keen in looking after. So that is most important in the production job. So that itself is the main role and that is full of challenges. And you can also expect the growth also in the production when you are working. Like you have the opportunity to work for the different projects. That itself you can drive only in the operations field. It's not like that, yeah, I'm working in the production, I will be promoting that. It's not the case. I'm basically comparing the each and every aspects. Like if you will work in quality or you will work in the production. So you have the challenges, you have the opportunity to deliver, and that can give a substantial result to the system also.
Most of the companies visiting campus are for the production or the manufacturing job role. We'd like to know what are the skills that students on campus can acquire to get prepared for such a job.
First of all, yeah, like for the operation role, you have to be a complete package. Okay, if you are opting for the operation, you have to be having a good knowledge of engineering as well as technology. That is completely a different. Like you have to have good knowledge of machinery as well as you have to have a good knowledge of chemistry also. So that is the subject part. If you will move through, there is also important part of presentation. Like whatever you are carrying, like whatever you are believing that to be happened, that need to be presented well in the industry. So that presentation skills you need to develop if you are opting for the operational job. Meanwhile, if you are starting up, you can plan for the internships on the regular basis. 1 month internships are organized when you are on the summer vacations. That these are the kind of opportunity one should grab, and taking that up, you can shape different one. Meanwhile, many of the companies ITC or something Nestle, if you are opting for, they look for the how much exposure you have got. me in the industry also, and on the other part, how much development you have on the personality. Like NIFTM is regularly organizing seminars, events, like these are the regular kind of activities which are organized in NIFTM. So one should take up that opportunity and lead on that. It's not only the academics, you have to develop on the each and every aspects to be a 100% full of package to be on the operation side. So that's my suggestion to don't leave anything. Whatever NIFTM is teaching you, you have to just go with the flow. Whatever NIFTM is organizing, go with the flow, and meanwhile think out of the box and take up the few of the projects and initiatives that will help you a lot to build your career in operations.
Okay. Okay, so we'd like to know what are your future plans, what lies ahead, like where do you see yourself in a few years from now?
Like I told, few stories are incomplete, so I would definitely plan something for myself. I had came back to India not only to work here in ITC or the system. I will definitely take up some of the projects, and I will do some of my own venture. So that is only the future plan as of now.
Okay, sir, that's great. I'd like to know, like, what is that still keeps you so much connected with NIFTM? Like, you are the vice president of the Alumni Association also. So, what is that? So you are still so much connected with the campus.
It is like if you are spending 4 years of your life in the college, that is your growing phase. So you feel a connection, and meanwhile there is a responsibility behind it also. Like you have to take it up. Like you being a responsible alumni of the NIFTM, you have to take the responsibility and you have to take the lead. You have to help the juniors. It's not always the responsibility of the college management to help out the juniors or the individuals for the job placement or the internship. It's definitely their responsibility lie with all of us. So meanwhile, I feel like I can contribute. So there is a attachment also, you can say, or like a sense of belongingness, you can say. So I feel a vibe that is coming from inside that say that you have to be connected with NIFTM and do something. Okay, that I'm carrying my part, and I also request everyone do a little bit from your side. Like if you with a little bit of effort, we can transform NIFTM. We cannot in the industry also, you cannot find such a complete package. If you will see the NIFTM students working in the industry, they are completely different from the rest of the ones. They are complete having the knowledge of presentations, they are having good knowledge of food, they are good in managerial aspects. So it's a complete package. Meanwhile, you should also help others, your juniors, to plan their career in a well manner.
That's great, sir. So what would be the message you would like to give to all those passing out this year in this situation, and also to all the NIFTMites?
I will suggest everyone to stay connected. That is the key. Okay. Meanwhile, if I will say my career, I started with Britannia. That itself was a self-arranged job. Okay. Getting into ITC was a self-arranged job. That was also by the networking itself. Getting ITC internship, that itself was networking. So I would suggest always to go behind the connection, build your relationship with your alumni, build your relationship with your colleagues. Everyone, you have to be humble, you have to be outspoken, and meanwhile you have to develop yourself each and every time. May it be your presentation skills, your analytical skills that need to be improved to shape you in a better way. So at the time moment, I suggest this is the best time to learn. Okay, the lockdown time you can utilize best ever. So you are taking the initiative of interviewing the alumni. That itself is a great opportunity. So everyone should plan something like that and start. Okay, so that will transform.
Okay, it was great having you here, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.